Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Forte. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, intermittent wipers, wheel covers, outside temperature gauge, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, auto express down window, beverage holders, reclining seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.